Welcome to Light Tutorials. When working in Lightroom Classic, you may find that the order of your photos in the Library module grid view and the Filmstrip has become muddled and is not easy to navigate. You can select what criteria to sort by going up to View and down to Sort. A range of options are available. We will select Edit Count, which is how many edits you've made. Note that both the grid view and Filmstrip are affected by the same sort criteria. A quicker way is to go to the toolbar above the Filmstrip. If you don't see it, press T on your keyboard. On the right-hand side of the toolbar, click on the arrow and check Sorting. Sort controls have now appeared in the toolbar and are only available in the Library module, but affect the Filmstrip for all modules. Some sort options like city, shutter speed, etc. will only make sense for a particular photo shoot. The most useful are things like capture time or perhaps file name. Clicking on the A/Z icon will reverse the order. In a collection, you can move your photos by clicking on the image itself within the thumbnail and dragging it where you want. This can be done with multiple selected photos. Notice that Sort has now become Custom Order. Custom Order is not available, however, in a folder where the images are in a subfolder below it, for example, a collection set. In this instance, the sort criteria has reverted to file name. Another exception is Smart Collections. To custom order, you will need to create a regular collection for these images and add them to it. Go to this video if you want to learn more about Smart Collections. Custom order is also not available in folders under Catalog, like in previous import. Lightroom stores your custom order so that when you select the option again, even in the next Lightroom session, you can return to your preferred sort order. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.